Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you that you do on a daily basis. Thank you for support and thank you for liking the video as well. You know, sharing is caring. Thank you for your subscription and your Patreonship and follow me on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, do definitely get involved in that community right now. Okay, I'm pumping out a lot of content on there and equally in the Discord server as well. You know, it's just a little message to remind you. I made this tweet this morning. Since the lows of the correction I gave you, you know, Bitcoin is up a whopping 123%. Your XRP is up 139%, and then these are the other coins as well. The best one that I gave was Solana. Okay, I did a breakout target on that, and you know, all targets have been met, and I'm looking at more upper targets. So for me, this was a fantastic trade, you know, and I still get messages about that trade right now, you know, of gratitude and that. But remember, nothing I say is financial advice. So just AVAX, I think that AVAX has got more appreciation. I think it's going to do a Solana easy. I think you got another 10x there. You know, you Harmony one as well. I think you got another 10x there. You know, again, nothing I say is financial advice. Your VeChain's up 234%. I think you're potentially looking at another 10x there as well. You know, your Cardano is up 133%. I think you're looking at around about 9x on that. I think your Chainlink, you're looking at another 10x. XRP, you're looking at 4-5x, aren't you? Because of the lacklustre,ness, and it's proven in the lacklustre,ness in the charts now. You know, it's got that sort of weight on its shoulders, isn't it, with the SEC? But you know, I'm not saying it's dog shit or anything like that, because you can see since the low it's actually gone up 139%. It's actually appreciated more than Bitcoin, right? And this is the thing, and all I see is people moan that XRP is going sideways. You know, this guy's got the right idea. Crystal Bill, okay, you taught us to zoom out daily, weekly, use the fibs, you know, to the best of, and thus the bigger picture is revealed. Patience, progression, wisdom, you have guided as well. I really like that. That's a really nice tweet. Thank you very much, mate. You know, I appreciate that. And you sort of get the message, don't you? You know, there are many of us which are grateful, Tom. I'm one of them, and would like to say danka to you and your entire team, your professional TA and valuable information. Please keep it going. Regards from Germany. Okay, so that's amazing. Thank you to each and every single one of you for these comments. And I do get these comments, you know, messages and everything like that. I get them on a daily basis. So it's amazing, you know, what a community of people we've got right now. So like I always say to you, if in doubt, zoom out. Okay, so you know, even if we do have another correction, 5, 10%, whatever, it's normal, it happens, and this is crypto, you know. But you've got to appreciate that, you know, XRP is not necessarily a dog shit coin. A lot of people say it's dog shit coin. Why are you stuck in XRP? Why are you doing XRP videos? You should be doing other videos, stuff like that, because it has got a massive following. A lot of people are sitting there on the sidelines and they're interested in it, and I'm equally interested, and I'm equally holding some as well. I'm equally dollar cost averaging as well, because I do know that this, and I've always said this to you, this is an absolutely fantastic technology. Okay, I've used a lot of these cryptos. For me, this is amazing. Okay, for instantaneous, borderless, feeless, instantaneous payments and transfer of money. This is it. This is the game changer for me, you know. And it's got the adoption curve, you know, it's got everything going for it. It's just got that big massive weight on its shoulders with the SEC, and once that's out the window, you know what's going to come, you know. And a lot of people are looking at a blow off top by December. Well, we could have an answer by January, couldn't we? We could have a green light, couldn't we, from the SEC? So is it all kind of gearing up for that sort of $27 run, $13 run, or whatever? Who knows? But my minimal target, like I've reminded you so many times, is $4.50. That's where I do see it's going to, even though we've got this, you know, this weight on our shoulders basically from the case, you know. So XRP is up a whopping 139% from the low I gave you, okay, of the correction. And I'll remind you again, you know, we were in a corrective phase of a bull market. Bitcoin has already broke the high, it's putting in its fifth wave, so XRP is playing catch up. Okay, a lot of these alts are already bolted and gone in front, you know, and this is the reason why XRP is playing catch up, because of the SEC. Otherwise it would already be up there. So, you know, if in doubt, zoom out and have patience, like this guy Crystal Bill says. So yeah, but there's one thing I want to show you right now. It's the fear and greed index. Okay, you know, at the moment you're in extreme greed. So for me personally, I always like to see this sort of come low before I sort of make some entry points. Okay, so just remember that fear and greed index, you know, is a little bit in extreme greed right now, and that always signifies it's not an absolute, you know, always signifies a bit of a correction, a bit of a rollback to key level support for continuation. You can see, I mean, look at this, when it was all the way up there at 79. Okay, we've got that large ABC correction for Bitcoin on the 7th of September, you know, that nasty rectember that we went through. Like I said to you, Rectember, and I've said to you, Rocktober, and right now you're putting possible ABC on Bitcoin. Okay, it's a possible, and with that you will see your alts drag down, and especially XRP. So if we do put in a sort of mild, ABC correction for Bitcoin, you can see it's just a mild one, and then from there, come November, like I'll show you in a previous tweet just here in November, we do tend to have a really explosive month for crypto. Look at this in November here. You got 53% the average return since 2011. You're looking at a fantastic November into December, into the year end there. For XRP and crypto, full stop. But these corrections and little pullbacks are necessary for continuation. Okay, so I'm not saying it will happen, but potentially you might see another little roll here for XRP as it runs into a level of resistance. But you can see here, I mean, look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at that. You have got some kind of whopping horizontal that you're forming right now on the daily. Okay, so potentially if you do start to come up like this and it's a trend line and fall back, this again could offer a fantastic entry point for XRP, because you are coiling up in some kind of horizontal, aren't you? You see that, and once you break out of this, what's going to happen? You're going to absolutely explode, and you're going to come to all up technical targets, and I do think that minimal 450 will get met, but don't forget, like I've reminded you so many times, this particular event here is greater than this simply because this technical target breaks the all-time high for XRP. Now there's one thing I'm thinking, okay, and I think you're all thinking it as well. How many people that bought XRP and the previous all-time high are going to offload at that point? Okay, they're annoyed, they're frustrated. Are they going to jump ship? Is that going to tank the price? Who knows? But it's definitely a massive level of resistance to sort of think about, isn't it? Up there at $3. Where is that? I think precisely at the moment $3.37. So that could be an absolute major level of resistance moving forward for XRP, and you might see it sort of run into that, have a deeper correction, and then explode. You understand? So don't necessarily shit the bed if you see that come in as a massive level of resistance moving forward in the market for XRP, because it might. A lot of people here bought and have been waiting all this time to just jump ship because they think it's a shit coin. But we know the truth, don't we? We know it's not a shit coin, and we know potentially where it's going to go to in this bull run. So yeah, it's just a quick little sort of market psychology, and if in doubt zoom out and things like that. But yeah, do definitely get involved in my communities. Okay, we've built a fantastic community on the Discord there for the Patreons, lots of great content, and equally the Twitter, and obviously your subscription on YouTube means the most, to be honest with you, because if it wasn't there I wouldn't be making the videos. So yeah, that's just a little update on XRP. We are breaking out a little bit. I would imagine come to your charts, draw this horizontal, worst case scenario you bump into that, you have a bit of a correction with Bitcoin. If we can hold a key level support right there, you continue to form this horizontal, and at some point you can see we get the breakout, and it would be amazing if we just sort of break out literally on the 1st of November, wouldn't it? It'd be absolutely amazing. Watch this space, everyone. Take care. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and thank you for support. Bye bye.